I am so excited because I just got a Simpure in the mail. This is a water filtration system, y'all. I am so pumped because my wife and I are trying to get our water to become better overall quality. And y'all, this thing, the reviews on it are absolutely insane, like amazing reviews. We are trying to go, we already are using like a Brita filtration system, but y'all, this thing right here is gonna take it to the next level. So I'm so excited. I haven't even tried to play with this thing, and I'm just like, let me make a video, show you guys exactly what this product looks like when it comes delivered, because y'all, I am just so excited about this thing. And I just want to show you guys exactly this whole process, show you everything about it. But y'all, if you guys are on the fence, honestly, I wouldn't be. The reviews on this were absolutely incredible. And now you guys get to see exactly what it looks like when it comes delivered. So obviously, they've got it really nice, sealed, secure. They do a really great job of packaging this, keeping it to where it's all safe. Obviously, it gives you like the setup in the front. But y'all, this thing, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for my wife and I to actually have like truly purified, filtered, amazing, good for you water. It's just really scary with what's going on right now with society. So what I want to do though is I want to show you guys every little thing about this. So as you can tell, I'm just taking off all the tape on the sides because this all comes taped up, sealed. They want to make sure that it all comes together. And now I do know that if you want to, start implementing this water right away, you need to run it through a couple times, plug it in, do all that to actually make sure that the water is good to go, right? You have to kind of let it do its work. But it's really simple. On the back right here, as you guys can see, this is where your water actually goes. So you've got two little guys where you pull this out, and then alright, so I'm trying to figure out what this looks like. I just don't want to break it because we literally just got it. Oh, there we go. Okay. So you pop this part open. Sorry, y'all. I'm very sensitive with this because this is a very, let's just say I was balling out when I got this for my wife and I. So as you can see though, right here, this is where you actually fill up the water. And then what's really cool is on the back side, let me show you this. This is actually where you get your actual, this is what filters your water. So it goes through I don't know how many processes, if it's like 7 or whatever. It goes through a lot, right? A lot of different things. It's all set up through here. And I don't know if oh, cool. Okay, so it comes like this and then you can take these guys off. Gotcha, okay, interesting. So I guess they just float. That's cool. So yeah, because it looks like this is all extra. I might be putting this back in afterwards, I'm not sure, but I would assume probably not. But anyways, this is basically, it does reverse osmosis in here. So you've got two of these bad boys. This is your composite filler as well. So it goes through like a 2-tiered system. So both of these help filter it all out. And then on the front, this is where obviously the water comes in and dispenses the actual good stuff. So again, obviously I'm gonna have to plug this in and run it. But we might honestly just do it. Now, I might just see what it looks like to do. All right, so I might need to find something to hold this water and plug in and use. Yeah, this is really great. So again, you're gonna wanna make sure that you have something to filter this water through. So I'll probably make a whole nother video. I'll just keep this just the unboxing, and then I'll let, once I do a little bit more research on the actual process of this, and I'll probably read this thing that I'm peeling off right now actually to see. But y'all, overall this thing looks great. It comes like perfect, ready to go, super easy. All you have to do is plug it in and move forward. So, oh, this is cool. It tells you already you can do like quick guides on the lights and stuff. So it has like, oh hey, you need to refill the tank, waiting for filtering. So that's really nice. And then it's gonna give you some different demands for like if you need to check something or replace something. So that's really great. So overall, highly recommend this product to you guys. Again, it's a really simple, easy to put together process. You just pop this thing on in the back, and then you pull it down, it locks in, and then you've got water good to go. And then obviously you've got your plug over here. I would say this is probably gonna be somewhere in the 4 feet cable length, maybe even less. Oh no, yeah, this is probably about 4 feet of cable over here. So that's great. So again, you're like all the way up here, way outside, you know, right? You got a lot of cable here. So again, hopefully that video is helpful for you guys unboxing. I will do another video filling this water up, starting the whole process of doing that as well. Yeah, overall super excited with it. So again, definitely give this product a shot. Oh, you've got also a little tray right here, which I'm assuming is where you put this on the bottom to where, yep, just like that, to where you've got a little water holder just in case it spills or anything. So very easy, very simple. Definitely recommend this. Add it to your cart, give it a try. I hope this video was helpful for you guys and have a great day with your Amazon shopping. See you guys on the next one.